Hello everybody, my name is Muhammad Ismail. I'll be showing off my Muhtasib watch that I just launched right now. And since the application is still in developer mode, you will have to run this as administrator. And as mentioned in the steps that I'll show you guys in a moment, ClamAv has to be ran by itself as of now. In the future, I will have it integrated with the application. Once you run it, ClamAv should pop up by itself. But as of now, you'll just have to run ClamAv on its own, so it can run in the background. This usually takes around 10 seconds, so just give it some time and it'll launch. This is a ClamAv issue, but this should be solved pretty quickly. Nothing too serious right now. Alright, so the default screen will be the home screen. You can see if when I click it, I'm still on the home screen. This has all the steps on how to use the application. I'll be running through them right now. And yeah, getting started with our first feature, which is URL checker. This one is just to check if the URL itself is malicious or not. And as stated, this is detected through a database, which is VirusTotal, the largest database. So for example, if I first want to put a normal website, let's go with Google. This one should not pop up as a problem since it's just Google. And as you can see, the result tells us that it was completed successfully. It is clean according to VirusTotal's database. And for example, if I want to try a different link that will take me from link to link, this is usually known as DNS hopping or link tunneling, when it takes you from place to place. You can see the first URL was Canvas, and then it automatically kept jumping from place to place. That is a feature also for Muhtasib Watch, so it can catch everything. And then finally, our malicious URL. This one is only a dummy one, so there's no problem with it itself. It's kind of made for purposes like this when we want to test out antivirus applications like mine. And somewhat similar with antivirus for emails. Alright, so according to VirusTotal, this is a malicious URL. You do not want to click this. It has 14 flags on it. And then if you want, you can always clear input. That takes everything out. Now moving to the DKIM and SPF analysis. These are values that are within every email. It's pretty easy to get to. So for example, if I just open up this email right here, I can try any email I want right now. For example, let's go to a try hack me email. I go to show original. This is the authenticity of the email. We want to check it against our application. And it's as simple as just putting copy to clipboard, and the application does the filtering for everything else. And as you can see, this is a valid email. It tells you where it's coming from and the validation of the DKIM and SPF. So that's working. Now moving to attachment scanning. Yeah, so between these three different features, only the scan URL attachment doesn't need access to anything because it doesn't involve any personal accounts. First, checking WhatsApp download. So let's see if that one's malicious. Alright, so after it did its dynamic and static malware analysis through sandboxing, it turned out clean. There is nothing wrong with this one. Now on the other hand, let's check some dummy malware to see if it catches it through static or dynamic analysis, malware analysis. And this one, according to ClamAv, is infected, in fact. Again, it's only dummy data, so there's nothing too scary about this link. Alright, moving on to Gmail attachment scanning. This scan works for all different types of attachments. In this case, we have a PDF, but it can also work for images and everything else. So before you download it, you want to get the link as shown right here. Let me make sure I got the right link. Copy link address. Yep, got it right now. And then we'll put scan Gmail attachment. So it's going to require some access because you're scanning a specific Gmail attachment to your personal Gmail. Here I'm giving it access. This has not been verified by Google, but soon will be. Hence, we got to go through this little thing. All right, authentication flow has been completed, and Gmail attachment scanned and done. Clean file, no malware detected, and you're good to go. Outlook attachment is a feature that's going to be added pretty soon. However, more than half of it is working right now. Moving on to phishing analysis. This one has been implemented through machine learning, which is AI. And I got a phishing email right here. Ready? This one, as you can read, is a scam. You put analyze email. It detected it as phishing because it found some keywords it didn't like or some combinations of words. For this one, it's verify. And then, for example, if we make one ourselves, hello employee, my name is Mohammed. Let's say this was an email. When we put analyze email, it detects it as not phishing because uh, the machine learning for this was smart enough to detect them. Clear input, about page. As you can see, the logo, the features of it, and the uh, the creator of this application. It was guided through Dr. Bruce Maxim of University of Michigan. And if you have any comments, questions, or concerns, please let me know. Thank you.